Hi friends, I am Amjad. In this video, we are going to discuss 5 different methods to find LCM. 5 different methods to find LCM. Let's try how to find LCM by different methods. Listen, let's take one problem. First method, 8, 9, 12. Find the LCM of 8, 9, 12. Listen, in first case, write the factors of 8. What are the multiples of 8? 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72 and 80 and so on. These are the multiples of 8. Now write multiples of 9. What are multiples of 9? 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81 and so on. Multiples of 12, 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84 and so on. Listen here, observe here. These are multiples of 8, 9, 12. In that, we have to find the least common multiple. Which multiple is common in these three? That should be least one. 72, 72, 72. Okay, this 72 is the least one and the common multiple of given numbers. That is nothing but least common multiple. So LCM of 8, 9, 12 is 72. LCM of 8, 9, 12 is 72. Okay, this is one method. In another method, we can find LCM of, take these three numbers only, 8, 9, 12. We know short division method. Short division method. How can you find LCM by short division method in this pattern? Okay. Do with 2. 2 4 ja 9, 2 6 ja. Again do with 2. 2 2 ja 9, 2 3 ja. Now do with 3. 2 3 3 ja 3 1 ja. Again 2, again 3. Okay. Now 2 into 2 into 3 into 2 into 3 into 1. 2 2 ja 4, 3 ja 12, 24, 3 ja 72 is the LCM of 8, 9, 12. Okay, we know this method. And another one, prime factorization method. Prime factorization method. Write the factors of 8. 2 into 2 into 2. 2 into 2 into 2. That is nothing but 2 cube. Okay, and factors of 9. 3 into 3. 3 square. Factors of 12. Prime factors of 12. 2 into 6 to 6 ja. 2 into 3. Nothing but 2 square into 3. 4 3 ja 12. Okay. Now in these three, we have to write the highest. How many factors are there? Prime factors are there. Only 2. That is 2 and 3. How many different prime factors are there? 2 and 3. Those are 2. And in that, we have to take the highest one, highest power. What is the highest power for 2? Here we have the 2 cube, here we have the 2 square. Take highest power, that is 3. And for 3, here we have 3 square and 3 power 1. So take 3 square. 2 cube is 8, 3 square is 9. 8 into 9, 72. 8 9 is 72. Okay, 72 is the LCM of given three numbers, those are 8, 9, 12. Okay, we know these three methods. Okay, and another method, by fourth method, find the LCM of 8, 9, 12 by Venn diagram. Listen, how can you find by Venn diagram? Here the factors are, okay, by Venn diagram. Take three circles like this, 8, 9, 12. Now listen, take 8, 9. Is there any common factors? 2, 2, 2. Here 3, 3. There is no common factors. Take 8 and 12. 2, 2. Another 2, 2. That means 2 square is the common. So 8 to 12. 2 square is common. 2 square is common. Okay, 8, 12. For 8, 9, there is no common factors. Now coming to 9, 12. 9, 12. 9, 12. 3 square here, 1, 3. So 1, 3 is the common. For 9, 12, 1, 3 is the common. Okay. Now listen. For 8, factors are 2 cube. 2 into 2 into 2. But I wrote here 2 square. 1, 2 is remaining. Okay. For 9, 3 into 3, 1, 3 is written here. Okay. Another 3 remaining. For 12, 4, 3. 2 square, 4, 3. Okay. Now, multiply these all. You will get the LCM. What are remaining? 2, 3, 3 and 4. Okay. 2 3 ja 6. 6 3 ja 18. 18 4 ja 72. Okay. By Venn diagram, we can find the LCM by this method. In this way. Okay. And fifth method. This is a shortcut method. Fifth method. 8, 9, 12. 8, 9, 12. Take big number, that is 12. Okay. Now check that number is multiple of remaining 2 or not. Multiple of remaining 2 or not. Okay. 8, 12 is not multiple of 8. 12 is not multiple of 9. Try 12 2 ja. 24 is not multiple of 24 is multiple of 8 but not multiple of 9. Okay. 12 3 ja. 36 is multiple of 9 but not 8. Okay, like that. 12 6 is 72. 72 is multiple of 8. 8 9 is 72. 72 is multiple of 9. 9 8 is 72. So LCM is 72. We have to check up to 6. Okay. LCM is 72. In this method, I will tell another problem. For example, take 4, 8, 24. Okay. Take bigger number, that is 24. Check that the 24 is a multiple of remaining 2 or not. 4 6 are 24 and 8 3 are 24. So 24 is the LCM of remaining 2. Okay. In this way we can take any numbers 3, 6 and 9. Take big number. Check that number is multiple of remaining 2 or not. 3 times 9. Okay. 6, it's not a multiple of 6. 9 is not a multiple of 6. Then do one thing. Multiply with 2. Then you will get 18. 3 6 times 18. 6 3 times 18. So LCM of 3, 6, 9 is 18. That's it. Okay. By these 5 methods, we can find the LCM. Hope you understood. Thank you. Thank you all. Thanks for watching.